What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. I'm going to be showing you guys the stocks I bought today. I bought a lot of stocks today. I'm hoping to make really big gains on. I'm going to be showing you guys my thought process based on that and my gains and everything I want to get from that, like the percentage for profit. But before we get into that, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could like this video and subscribe if you enjoy my content and my uploads. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps my channel out a lot. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So the first stock that I decided to buy, and by the way, if you stay to the end, I'll show you how my portfolio looks like, and this one thing boosted my portfolio up a good amount. So if you stay to the end, I'll show you that really quick. So the first thing is TQQQ. I bought in 3 shares of TQQQ all at different times, but my average cost was around $41.95. All today I bought in these shares. And what I was trying to make off of this is basically, I noticed that pattern that usually obviously Robinhood charts aren't that good, but when I was looking at other charts, I saw that TQQQ always bounced off of the area at around 41.50, 41.80, somewhere around this area right here, if you can see, and usually bounced up from there. It went up to like, this is like forming a head and shoulders pattern almost. And I saw it hit this price today, and I was like, maybe it's a good idea to buy it. So I decided to buy it, and I'm hoping for it to go up to around the $45 area or $44.50 area. But if it doesn't get into that, already in after hours, it already ranted up 22.2%, which is awesome. It's an awesome gain, up $2.50. I'm happy with that. That's one day, 2.5% on one stock. I like it. It's fantastic. And basically what I'm going to wait for is probably tomorrow or on Thursday. I can do some more live trading then also. I'm going to wait for this stock to bounce back up to around $45 or a little less maybe. And I'm going to sell the stock and make some nice gains of about, alright, let's check. Let's say I bought in, the price I bought in was around $41.90 right here. That's negative 2.4, and I sell it around here. So that's around 6% gain. That's a pretty nice gain. My weekly goal is 5% to reach $1 million, and it's not bad. It's getting there. So that's one thing. The second stock is DWT, which is actually down after hours. I bought it in at a nice price though. I didn't buy many shares because I was trying to get in at a good price, but then it just went over the price that I was trying to buy it at. So I bought it in around this time, I think, when it dipped down, but then I was trying to get in some more shares, but it just stayed up around that area. So basically what I'm doing with DWT is that I noticed that always whenever it hits around, same thing almost with QQQQ. So whenever it hits around area of $9.50, it usually bounces back up, like it gaps up overnight, up to around the over 10, 10.5, even almost $11 area. So I'm pretty interested in the stock, and I want to see what happens. I didn't put a lot of money because the same thing could happen. This stock is pretty unpredictable. ETF, actually. I've seen it gap down many times, and instead of going up. So I just put in $20. If I make some, awesome. If I lose some, it's perfectly fine. So it's not that much of a risk. And if you get, for those who stayed to the end, you can see my portfolio is up a whopping around 3.7% today. Including after hours. So what led to my success today, this huge gain, was mostly because of one person who used my referral link on Robinhood. I thank them very much. I'm pretty sure his name is Richard, and his last initial is M, Richard M. Thank you so much for using my link. As you can see, I got a $5.70 stock from him signing up, and he also received a stock that could have been $3, $5. It could have even been Apple or Berkshire Hathaway. We don't know that because I don't know him personally, but he was nice enough to use my link, and so we both got a fantastic free stock, and this really helped me reach my goal. As you can see, I'll show you in the chart in 1 second. So basically this week, I made around 10%, which is fantastic, and my goal was to make around $231, just going along with the 5% weekly, to reach the $1 million. So I'm going to show you the chart right now. So here we are with the chart right here, and as you can see, last week we didn't meet our goal, and I was down around $9 from what I was supposed to make. But thanks to this extra stock, plus this awesome DGAS trade and this TQQQ trade, all of these great trades led up to me exceeding my goal. And I still have 3 more weeks. 3 more days left in this week, and I'm already exceeding this goal. So I have a lot more time to get a head start on next week. So that next week I can earn much more than the projection is to make the 5%. The 5% a week goal to make $1 million. So for those who are not familiar, I need to make around 5% of my money. Exponentially, it'll grow for 4 years for me to reach the goal of $1 million. So I included taxes there, so it would have been higher without taxes, but obviously you got to factor those in. And so I did an approximate calculation, and it came out to be around 4 years, a little less than 4 years actually. But that leaves me a little bit time for those small mistakes that might happen. But basically that's it. I can see this goal being reached, and just consistency is key. 5% a week will lead me to the goal of $1 million. Thank you guys for all the support. I really appreciate you guys watching, and those likes really help me stay motivated to create more videos for you guys. So if you appreciate my time put into these videos and everything, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can give back with just tapping the like button and subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.